Hey guys, back here again with another video. Today I'm doing a collab with my brother.
Hi, my name is Nikhil. I also have a YouTube channel, and it is called Stuffguy123, where I just do random stuff.
So we don't really have a plan today, so what do you want to do, Nikki?
How about you choose? I'm not very good at choosing.
Well, let's go over physics, why not?
Yeah, physics, sure.
So, Isaac Newton discovered gravity. And gravity is normally thought of when people think of physics, right? So this person right here, Isaac Newton, was a monumental fellow. And today we're going to be focusing on him because he was such an important part of history, and especially history of physics. So he conducted an experiment, but by accident. One day, when he was sleeping underneath a tree, an apple fell on his head. And this apple just so happened to make him think about what exactly was pulling the apple down or was making the apple fall in the first place. Apples falling on somebody, obviously, is a pretty rare occasion. But Newton was able to formulate the theory of gravity by this. So gravity is essentially the movement of things on Earth downwards towards the center of the Earth. Because things that have more area or that have more mass have more gravity. So gravity is what keeps us on the ground instead of floating up into space. And this is very essential to our way of life today. Now, some very common examples of gravity. Here in let's see.
I always wanted to learn about
a gold bar falling down. This man in space. This guy carrying a bowling ball in space. Because, of course, bowling balls in space are weightless because there's nothing holding them down, right?
Yeah, there's zero gravity.
And here again we have the infamous Isaac Newton example. So let's just talk about gravity and its characteristics for a second. And more importantly, the aspects of Newton himself. So, we have many things that make up Newton's repertoire. Gravity, the laws of thermodynamics, the three fundamental laws of motion. And I think motion is also one of those very important things, don't you agree, Nikki?
Yes.
Yes, right? So, motion is defined by an object moving through space and time. And Isaac Newton had three laws for this motion. There was the law of inertia, the law of reaction, and the third law remains unnamed by most scientists to this day. So the law of inertia states that an object in motion stays in motion no matter what, unless gravity or something is pulling on it. The example of the vacuum of space. Perfect idea. The law of reaction. Every action has an equal and an opposite reaction. So say I clap. My other hand receives that force. And a noise is made because of the vibration in the air. There's a reaction, right? And the third law is much less prevalent